Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out of the YouTube app quickly and easily. Let's get started. Once you're inside the YouTube app, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. Now, tap on Switch Account. If you don't see that option, go to the settings icon, the gear icon, and then tap on Switch Account from there. Next, you will see a list of your accounts. Tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Now, you'll see all the Google accounts linked to your phone. Since YouTube is a Google service, choose the Gmail account you want to log out of. Then tap Remove Account. Don't worry, this won't delete the account itself. It will just remove it from your device, which effectively logs you out of YouTube. And that's it. Now you know how to log out of the YouTube app on your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.